Civil danger warning. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the White House and the National Guard. Regular programming should be discontinued indefinitely for the Oregon area. If you're not in the Oregon area, tune to your local station for more information. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 1:11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, American forces spotted Russian Navy approaching the United States coast. The route is unknown so far, but the only thing for sure is that they are preparing an invasion. As such, you're advised to seek shelter immediately or, if you feel necessary and possible, evacuate now. If you're seeking shelter, lock all doors and windows, turn off all lights, gather a powered battery radio, food, water, medical supplies, toiletries and clothing for, at least, 14 days and go to your basement or on the lowest floor of your house. Stay there until the all-clear message is given. If you're evacuating, lock your house and mail the authorities notifying you that you evacuated. Do not try to take people with you if it is not possible. If you can, give priority only to people who are really close to you, such as your family. Regardless of your choice, turn off all electricity and ventilation methods in your home, as well as ovens, stoves, televisions and microwaves. Cities like Washington, D.C., Las Vegas, New York and Chicago are preparing themselves for the impact of North Korean nuclear bombs. The president is safe in an undisclosed place.
Apparently, the conflict in Cannon Beach is over. The Russians lost. But there's a chance of enemy retaliation soon. Therefore, evacuation is recommended. Police are looking for Russians who may have fled or hidden, and ensuring that evacuations are carried out well. Still, send an email to the Oregon Police Department letting them know about your evacuation. Take important documents with you. If you have a family or place to stay outside the country and it's safe, go. Portugal, Italy, Canada, South Korea, Japan and Brazil are accepting Americans, as these countries
Босс, мы проиграли. Думаю, мне лучше начать план Б.